What's going on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, everywhere that this video is going to be, little bits and parts and clips of this. I'm back at you guys with another clothes unboxing video. Let me make a disclaimer. I say this about all of the t-shirt unboxing videos that I've done so far. I am not a fashion guy. I'm not that big into fashion. I like clothes. Everyone, who doesn't like clothes? You know, who doesn't like to wear clothes? I think we all do. Who doesn't like to look cool and wear clothes? Wear cool clothes. But yeah, so guys, I'm not an expert by any means on clothes. So I think that these videos for me are purely just for fun and entertainment. And also to support these local guys out here. I mean, the last video I did for the brand Vision from Black Cheeto, I just was showing love. I bought 3 t-shirts from that guy because I love what he's doing. And today I have a package here with 2 t-shirts in it from the brand called Authentic Individuals. Based out of Murfreesboro, Tennessee, I believe. Just a little bit about Authentic Individuals. Their clothes are very hard to find, or they're very hard to get. And thankfully, Kobe was so gracious and kind to give me the early access password code to get in to the store before everyone else, or for a select few people. He gave me the password to get in before the official drop, so I was able to sneak my way in there and get a couple t-shirts. And they came, as far as the shipping goes, came in less than 5 business days. Yeah, there was no delays or anything, so it was awesome. It got here quick. Yeah, guys, summertime is coming up. I needed some new t-shirts in my life, you know? I'm wearing a long sleeve tee right now because it's supposed to be a little cool tonight, but I needed some new tees in my life. And I ordered 2 t-shirts. You guys are going to see what I ordered for the first time, just like me. We're going to experience this at the same time. So without further ado, I'm going to take this knife very carefully and make an incision on the top of this package. And let's see which one we pull out first. I'm going to try and do one at a time so it makes it extra. Hopefully I didn't just cut that up. So it makes it extra cinematic. Oh, already I can see some extra goodies in here. Okay. We got a sticker for the MacBook. But hold on. Another sticker for the MacBook. No, I'm just kidding. I'm probably going to give this away with my 200 subscriber giveaway that I really have just been super lazy and not doing. So I'm gonna lean forward a little bit and show you guys these. Big ups. I mean, that's awesome. I didn't buy the stickers, but they threw it in for me. Makes your customers feel special, you know? So reaching in here, here's our first one. Okay. Ooh, and it's a comfort colors. It's not no gilding. This ain't gilding. This ain't no gilding. So the first one I pulled out is a darker color. I really like what these guys do because they don't just... There's some thought that's put into this. They didn't just print this on a Gildan or a Hanes. They use comfort colors. They use more high quality material clothes, and I love that. And this is my first time ever having seeing or personally having my own clothes from Authentic Individuals. I've seen the hoodie, the white off-white cream hoodie that Jayon was wearing, and it was just like super. It was a thick material. It was nice. So, boom, here we go. It's simple, but it's still gonna get people going. Oh, what does that A stand for? And honestly, this is the first time I've been following these guys for a minute. This is the first time I noticed what exactly their logo was. Like, that's really cool. That little running man right here. I'm gonna do a couple video on body clips, just kind of wearing them out so you can really get good detail on them. But I'll put this one up to the camera just so you can see from a distance. That A in the center, it's different. I mean, I don't have any shirts like this. And then the back is plain. So nice. I'll take that. I'm excited about this. Can't just be, I mean, you know. So I'm glad that I pulled the black one out first, because I was thinking in my head when I ordered this second one, I was like, man, I got too much black shirts, and I got too many white shirts. I need some color in my life. So then that's why I chose this bad boy. Wow. Okay. Very bright. And it is a different material. I'm pretty sure. Make sure I'm not missing nothing. Cool. So this one is a little bit thinner, which there's nothing wrong with that. And just off the bat, I mean, that yellow, that really, really rich yellow color just really stands out. And you see that reflective logo right there. I don't know how they did this, but this is awesome. Like, this is really cool. And then the back. So I like these. I like the style of these t-shirts. And then, I mean, they have some hoodies. They've got pants, shorts. I'm pretty sure they have long pants. I know they have shorts. I mean, really just anything, top to bottom. Shout out to these guys. I'm glad that I could support. I'm glad I could get my hands on a couple of these. What's really cool about this brand is they've had a couple NFL players rocking this stuff. So I feel like I am an authentic individual right now. And I've had some conversations with Kobe on the phone before. He's a stand-up guy. I met Saria too. He's a cool guy as well. I love what these guys are doing, and yeah, I'm gonna cut this and put these on, do a couple clips with some crazy cool music in the background. Thank you guys for watching. Again, like I said, I'm not a fashion guru. I'm not really like the biggest fashion person, but I needed some new clothes. I like to support people who are doing their own thing, running their own business, and they make cool shirts. So, I mean, it checks out for me.
Yeah, cameras on me, I need tents. Smiling, but inside I'm feeling bent. Come direct, please, I can't take no hints. Yeah, bicycles and pegs, yeah. Ride load up the fast, watch. Do-rag on my head, yeah. Money on my head, yeah. Cameras on me when I'm bent. Mix the waterfall right behind the tent.